Hello there, welcome back in our YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you the complete process of book publishing on Amazon KDP. So without wasting any second, let's get start the video. Export in PDF file. If you have a premium version of Canva, you can print in best for professional printing. Otherwise, you go with best for digital use. Okay, I am using this option and click simply download. This PDF is ready for publish on Amazon KDP as a manuscript. And second, look at book cover and give the rating out of 10 in comment box. If you have any skill about creating a book cover, definitely write a comment. Okay, and this is the book cover, and as well as we are export in PDF file in a best professional printing mode. These both files are ready. You are opening just your chat GPT. Cozy Coffee Shop Coloring Book title have. This title have already, and I am just write this is my book title, write a content for published book on Amazon KDP. This is the web sign. When you are option, I am show you when you can see the web search. This enable this option and then you paste this option. Okay, I'm just copy for you show the process actually how it's work. I'm just doing this step. Then in this step I will get the description with the this is very optimized description right by which are written by ChatGPT. Write description without emojis and with the write 7 tags. Okay, actually Amazon KDP not allow this emojis, so that's why I am write this prompt. Next book description is ready. This is very optimized SEO friendly book description write by ChatGPT. This is a 7 tag. This is also very helpful for the promoting your coloring book organically. Next is best category. We are getting best category option by ChatGPT. Actually, ChatGPT is very professional. Provide the information. Book illustration AI. This is also have AI. Next, we need subtitle. Okay. Next is giving ChatGPT best good subtitle option for your book. They have us provide 8 options, but the final is that option bold and easy cafe scenes for adult and teens. This is very good looking. Book title and description tags, all things are done. Okay. Next, open your Amazon KDP account and click on create new title or series option. After this option clicking, you click on paperback, create paperback option. Next, you fill all details which we are latest generating by ChatGPT. I'm just simply copy and paste here. If you can see that this is a brand name. In upcoming video, I will show you the each and every sales if I get. Okay, and showing the report by YouTube post method. I'm just simply publish, copy and pasting process. Click on save and continue option. Next page. This is the next and second important, most important process. ISBN number giving by Amazon KDP automatically will completely free. And click on this black and white interior with white paper option. Next, you select your book cover, book size. If you are creating a 8.5 multiply 11 inches, you click on this option. If you are click if you are creating your coloring book in scale size, you click on this option 8.5 into 8.5 inches. Next, if in your book have margins, you click on bleed PDF only. If you no have margins in your interior file, you click on this option. Okay. Next, this is your choice, matte or glossy. You are select as per your choice. This is a manuscript process. After click on the launch preview option. Now you can see the launch preview. No, if in the coloring book or PDF interior file have any issue, they are showing in quality check section. Otherwise, you can see the approve option. Now you can see the interior file, how it's look like. This each and everything is done, and just click on approve button. After the approval, 90% of book publishing process is completed. Only 10% work is pending. This option you can see this is printing cost, and just click on save and continue option and select your cost. My advice is first at the time of book publishing you can select the minimum cost. I know in that case you not get a better royalty, but if you get more sales, your royalty convert and that much point. Okay. In this check, I am just selecting a 5.99 because I know this royalty is very less, 0.60 cent. But after selecting the price, you just publish your paperback button. Okay, done. After 3 days, this book is live on Amazon.com site as well as other Amazon platform. Okay, you can see that this book in review, this coloring book live on Amazon KDP after 3 days. I hope you have learned something new. If you have any problem at the time of book publish on Amazon KDP or have other question or query, you write a comment below. Subscribe this channel and press bell icon that you can't miss an upcoming video. Okay, signing off.